What's going on YouTube? This is yours truly, Dre the Plug, coming at you live with some more technical heat. I'm gonna just jump right back into my solo videos. I got plenty of people that keep hitting me up saying, when are you gonna get back into, doing the electronic reviews? I got companies, sponsorships that I just been putting on hold because of all of the interviews. They're like, when are you gonna get right back into the lab and, review some of our products? So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna just go back to doing my normal solo videos. Definitely go check out all the interviews that I pretty much dropped of a lot of other engineers from all across the country. But I'm about to get right back into it. I'm gonna get right back into this technical heat. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button below. Make sure y'all hit that bell below so y'all can stay notified every single time I drop new technical heat. Besides that, let's get into it, man. I'll roll the clip. Alright, so I'm going to jump into another one of my sponsorship videos, and this one specifically I'm going to go over my mini portable vacuum that's also charged up through USB-C. Let's get into some of this technical heat, man. Okay, so jumping into the wireless vacuum, right? You have your lock, you have your unlock. That's basically this cap right here that allows you to close it completely or take it off, when you actually want to use the wireless vacuum. Then right here you have your power button. This basically, lets you know how much battery life you have. Obviously it's 33, 66, and then 99, which is basically 100. So you have those three lights. Let me show you guys real quick what I'm talking about. So yeah, letting you know, you can see that it is fully charged. And at the back, it's basically where you charge it up through the USB-C. So yeah, once you remove your top, you can clearly see how the nozzle look. It's like a standard vacuum type of nozzle. But also what I like is if you want to clean it or if anything get clogged in there, you can just twist it. As you can see right here, you have the arrow where to place it down. Just twist it, then you can just take it off, and it's that simple. So once you want to lock the nozzle in place, look at the triangle, this little arrow right here, and simply point it away from the unlock sign, that unlock symbol right there, and then just twist it to the lock. And that's it. It's pretty much in place and it's not gonna move at all. So yeah, like I mentioned before, as you can see at the very bottom of the vacuum is a USB-C port, which I feel is super clutch because these days everything is going the USB-C route anyways, and it didn't take too long for it to get to 100%. So yeah, you'll basically know that it's charging once you see the lights blinking. As you can see, it's clearly on that 99 to 100% range because it's blinking in that area. So yeah, I also really like these attachments that come with it too. You can simply just put it on top of it, and if you want, you can keep it on this brush mode if you want. This is more so for like when you want to clean the fan areas of your car, but also if you want to just move it out the way, just slide that to the back, and then you can also just clean out your car or different areas that don't require anything to be brushed off. So I like these attachments. It's real smooth, and you just simply just press this button right here and it'll just lock in place. I want to move it back. And also this is another attachment for those like hard to reach places, like in between your seats. You can just simply slide this on top and then you can instantly put it inside the areas and instantly clean those hard to reach areas. So it's dope. I really like the attachments. So something else I like about this attachment is that now I can easily clean off my keyboard keys without worrying about damaging them because they have the little bristles right there, and it will instantly vacuum anything in between the keys. All right, so let's jump into a quick example, shall we? As you can see, the chips are stored in the inside right here. As I just showed you guys how to take it off and just clean everything. It's all you'll have to do, and you're still able to use it if you still wanted to use it some more, because it's not completely filled. And that concludes this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It really do help my channel when it comes down to the YouTube algorithm. If you guys have any questions regarding anything, just hit me up on Instagram, hit me up on the gram at DreThePlug123. And then also go check out my other YouTube channel. This is actually my second channel. My first one was called Andre ClassicCuts. I basically go in and give tutorials about all types of different haircuts. I actually show people how to do different type of things with the clippers that has never been done. And I pretty much go into detail as to why certain things happen. So definitely go check out that channel. Besides that, be on the lookout for my next content that's dropping. Be on the lookout for it because it's coming real soon. And I'm out.